Students, today we start with a new question and answers in the same chapter, that is light and refraction. Today also we are going to discuss only 6 questions. Let's get started. First question: if a convex lens is placed in a water, then its focal length will increase, decrease, remains the same, it will be 0. These 4 options they have given, and the solution is the refractive index of a material of lens is relative to its surrounding medium, means the convex lens is when it is placed in the water. So the answer is it increases. Hence the answer is first one, that is increases. We'll move to second one. The speed of the light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, and the speed of the light in a glass is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So absolute refractive index of a glass is, students, that we know that n equals to c by v. It means the speed of the light in the vacuum over speed of the light in the medium. C is this C is nothing but the speed of the light in the vacuum, whereas V is the speed of the light in the given medium, that is in the glass. When we substitute this 3 into 10 to the power of 8 and 2 into 10 to the power of 8 in this formula, we get this. And when we solve this, here 10 to the power of 8 and 10 to the power of 8, they get cancelled. We get only 3 by 2. When 3 is divided by 2, we get the answer 1.5. So the answer is B. Next we'll go to third question. The third question is, draw a ray diagram to illustrate the formation of image in a convex lens when the object is placed between 2f1 and f1. Mention the characteristic of image. So we have to draw this diagram. Remember, when the object is away from the lens, the image will be near to the lens. When it comes towards the lens, image will go away from the lens. This we have to remember first. So here we'll draw the diagram. Before drawing the diagram, we have to draw this lens, that is convex lens, and x-axis, and we have to label all the these points, f1, 2f, f1, 2f1. This we have to label first. Then we have to place object in between 2f and f, because they have given when it is placed in between 2f and f, the ray, it will hit the lens parallel to x-axis and it will pass through the focal length. One more ray that will pass through the pole of the convex lens. Hence we get the image that is beyond 2f1. So this is the diagram. When we see the nature of the image, that will be real and inverted. Position is beyond 2f2. Size is enlarged. It is bigger than that of the object. Fourth question. A student put a pencil into the empty trough and observe the pencil from the position as indicated in the figure. Question. What changes will be observed in the appearance of a pencil when the water is poured into it? Second question. Name and define the phenomena which accounts for the above state observation. Here, the pencil, when it is immersed in the water, appears raised and bent at the interface of the two media. This is because of refraction of light. Because here, when the water is poured into the trough, what happens? The light enter from the rarer medium to denser medium, it bends. A ray of light traveling from one transparent medium to another different medium, it deviates from the original path. This is called as refraction of light. Fifth question. Two lenses A and B have a focal length of plus 20 cm and minus cm respectively. What is the nature of the lens A and B? Next question. What is the power of a lens A and B? Third question. What is the power of combination if the lenses A and B are held close together? Students, in previous pages, scoring pages, we have learned that plus means it is convex lens. When it is plus, it is convex lens. When it is minus, it will be concave lens, because it will be towards left, focal length will be towards left side, and when it is convex, its focal length will be right side. So it is plus and that is minus 1. What is the power of a lens A and B? We know that the power of the lens is always a reciprocal of the focal length. Hence we get a plus 5D here and here minus 10D. When the power of combination of these two lenses we get, that is a minus 5D, 5 minus 10, this 5 and this minus 10, that will become minus 5D. D means that is a diopter. We'll go to sixth and last question. Raju needs a lens to read the small letters in a dictionary. Which of the following lenses do you suggest him? A. Convex lens of a focal length 5 cm. Convex lens of the focal length 50 cm. Concave lens of its focal length 5 cm. Justify your answer. Remember, we know that concave lens, this concave lens, it produces diminished and virtual image, which further decreases the size of the letter. So we cannot suggest this one. And the remaining is convex lens of focal length 5 cm, concave lens of 50 cm focal length. Convex lens produce enlarged and virtual image when the object is placed between the optical center and the principal focus. Also, the magnifying power of a lens is inversely proportional to its focal length. Hence, I would suggest a convex lens of focal length 5 cm. So, Raju suggests the convex lens of having 5 cm as its focal length. Today, only this much. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.